Recently, the Ministry of Defense has decided to install a new operating system on all computers connected to the internet. Hello everyone, myself Neha Kapil and I welcome you all in the current affairs section of RACE IAS. Today's topic for discussion is India's new operating system, Maya. This topic is related to current affairs of IAS and PCS prelims and mains examination General Studies paper 3 Science and Technology. Ministry of Defense has decided to install this operating system due to increasing cyber and malware attacks on critical infrastructure including defense across the country. This operating system built in the country has been named Maya. This operating system will replace Microsoft's Windows. This operating system has been developed with the help of various government agencies including Defense Research and Development Organization, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, and National Informatics Center. Maya is currently being installed only in the systems of Ministry of Defense, but soon it will be adopted on the network of armed forces also. Maya, based on open source Ubuntu platform, has been developed locally. Ubuntu is a popular Linux distribution that uses free and open source software and is known for its high level of security. This operating system aims to provide a robust protection against cyber attacks by providing an interface and functionally similar to the Windows operating system. Maya operating system was conceived in 2021 when several foreign cyber attacks targeted the country's critical infrastructure and defense systems. After this, the Ministry of Defense decided to make its own operating system, which is more secure and reliable than Microsoft Windows. So this is all about this topic. Now it's time for the mains question. And the question here goes, explain the significance of Maya operating system launched by the Ministry of Defense recently. You all may write your answers and leave your answers on our Telegram channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and download the RACE IAS app. And information regarding the new batches, please call on the numbers given on the screen. Thank you for watching and have a great day.